Hi everyone, today we have started our first welding trials with Mantis. Of course the purpose of Mantis is to weld, so everybody was really keen to see it welding. We haven't got our Fronius twin wire welding units here yet, so what we have is a temporary setup using a Fronius TPSI 400, which is one of our manual welding units which we use in fabrication, and we've just set up some mild steel welds here. First of all, we have a 1G or downhand flux core weld. This is essentially a MIG welding process, but we're using flux core wire, which is very common in the heavy fabrication industry. Then over here we have a 2F weld, which is your standard fillet weld. This is about an 8mm fillet. And then just above that we have one of the more difficult welds to do, which is a horizontal groove or a 2G weld. We're using flux core wire here. As you can see, the torch angle is not perfect, but Mantis can actually cope with that really well. And what it shows is just how well the Fronius welding equipment can handle non-ideal conditions and still turn out a really high quality weld.
Holy, that's better than me.